In this video, we are going to solve a problem based on assigning RS configuration and SN2 reaction. When this bromo compound is treated with KCN, I write like this: K plus Cn minus. Cn minus acts as nucleophile and displaces Br to give this product. Since it is strong nucleophile and it is primary alkyl bromide, it is basically SN2 reaction. Further, you cannot generate carbocation on this carbon because already there is del plus here. So you cannot generate carbocation that is like this. There is no possibility to generate carbocation because already we have del plus on the next carbon. Another reason, since it is primary alkyl bromide, it prefers to undergo SN2 reaction. Now the question is, what will be the configuration of this carbon as well as this carbon in the product? Whether they are RR or RS, SR and SS. Here you have to assign RS configuration based on Fischer projection. Go for giving priority. This is the compound. The molecular weight is maximum for Br. So I give priority for this. Second one, it is CO2 ET. Third, hydrogen and deuterium, they have same atomic number, but the mass number is more for this. So I go for this. I give third priority. The last one, hydrogen. When the least priority is in the vertical line, you have to assign RS configuration as such. What I do? I go from 1 to 3. It is anti-clockwise direction, so the configuration is yes. And it undergoes SN2 reaction, this backside attack, and there will be inversion in configuration. Let us try that also. Now I have written the compound in this format so that it will be easy for me. So now I check whether it is yes or configuration. It should be yes. Let us try that. 1, 2, 3. So you can see it is anti-clockwise direction. So this is the compound that has been given as starting material. Now I add Cn minus. Cn minus will attack from the back side. As a result, what I get is, I have not changed this. Hydrogen, which is back side, that will come front. And Cn will be here. Now let us assign RS configuration for this. The least priority, it is towards us. I go for this first priority, second and third. So basically it is R. Since the least priority is towards us, this should be yes. I have to just invert that. So starting material, it is yes. Product also, it is yes. So this is a very good example to say that even though we say there will be inversion in configuration, it is not in all the cases. Depending on the nucleophile, whatever you add, it may vary because you are replacing bromine atom which got higher priority with a nucleophile which gets second priority. Suppose if you give first priority for CN, then there will be inversion configuration. Instead of CO2ET, say there is CH3. In such case, there will be inversion configuration. So, if the higher priority leaving group is displaced by higher priority nucleophile, you will get inversion. Otherwise, you won't get. So, this is very good example to explain that. Generally, students, as soon as they get S configuration for the starting material, they consider there should be inversion and they go for R. But in the question paper, S, R was not all given. By mistake, they are given RS twice. So this and this they are given as RS. That is by mistake. So answer should be yes, yes. Both starting material and product has S configuration.